Kalle Beck, and today I'm reviewing this monster. This is the ECOFLOW portable power station. It's the River 2 Max. It's 512 watts. You can fast charge this thing in under an hour. So one thing I really like about this ECOFLOW portable power generator is it gives you how long it's going to take to recharge, and also recharges super fast. 620 watts, we're saying this thing's only at 32%, and it's only going to take 43 minutes to recharge. That is very quick, very impressive. So even at near full, it's pulling 436 watts of input. So, you know, it's throttling down just like any battery does as it fills up, but not much, still going strong. I was shocked at how fast it took in a charge, which has been an issue with some of the other portable power stations I've used. It puts out up to 1,000 watts, so this can power a bunch of devices, almost my electric car, not quite. It would need like 1.4 for that, but up to 1,000 watts is very impressive. It has hookups in the back right here to plug it in with either you can DC charge it, and you see it has this nice connection, like it's not flimsy at all, to put it in that you can charge it off of your car while you're driving. So if you have a car and you're out to the campsite, this will charge it up. You can also charge it with, you know, the DC in and straight off your 120 outlet with this thick connector right here, and it just charges up fast. I was shocked how fast it charged. It has a bunch of different settings in here. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and it's not too heavy either. And if you look at the top, it looks like it is stackable as well, which is super cool. If you end up wanting to add to this, it makes it somewhat of a modular system. You just hold this down, turn it on, and I love that it shows you how many watts are being input. It has this great display right here showing all the different, it's showing you I have 99 hours of usage. At the current, it'll say what it's outputting, what it's inputting at the same time. You can charge it off of solar also, which I've done. I don't have a big solar array for this, but I've charged it off of solar, and that works great. And you know, you have your DC out right here, you know, your DC on off. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 plugs in the front for your 120 volt outlets. 2 are grounded, 2 are not. For your AC power, you can turn it on and off right there. All super easy. And over here, you have 3 USB-A chargers and 1 USB-C, which is going to charge up to 100 watts. So this will recharge your USB-C products very fast. I think this is a great unit. You know, you could keep your fridge plugged in a power outage. You can use this out camping if you do overlanding and all kinds of other stuff, and just really good quality. It's the best one I've tested yet, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.